Example 1 has us simplify this, and we did these before where we identified the main fraction bar. The main fraction bar is more obvious in these than it was before. It's the longest one is the main fraction bar. And then you want to identify all the fraction terms in each location. So the numerator has fraction terms, the denominator has fraction terms. Identify each of those fraction terms. So x over y, 1 over y, x over y, and 1 over y. Those are all the fraction terms. And all we need to do to simplify this is find the least common denominator of every fraction that's been isolated in parentheses there. What is the least common denominator of all those fractions?
Y.
Y is the least common denominator. So I'm going to multiply times y, times y, go ahead, times y, and times y. Each of those y's represents a numerator object being multiplied by a fraction. So a numerator object being multiplied by a fraction, the denominator has y, a numerator has y, you cancel, leaving us with x. A numerator y and a denominator y cancel, leaves plus 1. Plus or minus 1 has to be written. So don't say, oh, those cancel out, so just throw it out. 1 is left over, plus 1 has a purpose. Minus 1 also has a purpose. On the bottom, y on top, y on bottom cancel, leaving me with x. And y on top, y on bottom cancel, leaving me with minus 1. Once you get it to a simple fraction, non-fractions on top, non-fractions on bottom, you're done. Okay. Most common mistake people make at this point, they put pluses all over the place. They just like positivity is their thing. That will make everything positive. Whatever signs are in here goes over here. Okay, so positive, 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 negative, positive, 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 negative. I'm not multiplying by negatives, so the sign shouldn't change. So be careful of that. And again, simplify the fractions properly, you should be in good shape.